Hey everyone! Today we are opening the ASUS ExpertBook Ultra. You can find the full review, benchmarks, display tests, and more on laptopmedia.com. The link is below. Let's begin. To reach the internal components, remove 10 screws and lift off the bottom panel. We are using a Torx T5 screwdriver. We continue removing the screws. The screws have different lengths, so keep track of every position. Use a thin plastic tool to start releasing the bottom panel clips. Do not push the tool too far inside because it could damage a component. The bottom panel is now removed. Disconnect the battery first. This is the only M.2 SSD slot. The Core Ultra X7 358H sits beneath the cooling system. We begin with the battery connector. We use a number 1 JIS screwdriver because it fits the screw head securely. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. The connector sits under this retaining plate. To disconnect it, pull it straight upward. Remove the screws securing the battery tray to the chassis. The 70 watt-hour 4-cell battery and its supporting tray lift out together. While we continue, a quick note on memory. It is soldered low-power DDR5X with no upgrade slots. This laptop has 32 gigabytes and the series offers up to 64. We remove the 1TB Micron NVMe SSD for a closer look. It uses PCI Express 4x4. The 2280 slot has a thermal pad, but no mount for shorter drives. We reinstall the SSD. Now we reinstall the battery assembly. The soldered Intel wireless hardware sits beneath this heat pipe. It supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6. You have seen the single SSD slot, soldered memory and wireless hardware, removable battery, and dual fan cooling. Visit laptopmedia.com for our thermal tests, display analysis, and battery life results. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more detailed laptop videos.